Nationwide Special Awareness Campaign on Women-Centric Programs and Schemes Pangthokpaga loinana Ukhrul dashu August tha asida ningthingda pangthoki. District Administration, District Social Welfare Department, Sakhi One-Stop Center amasung Line Department kaya yauna Skill Acquisition and Knowledge for Livelihood Promotion Sangkarp amasung Help for Empowerment of Women HIU ki makhada Gender Sensitization Campaign ningthingda Ukhrul jila da pangthoktunali. Ningxingba yai Nationwide Campaign on Gender Sensitization se June 21 the Union Minister of Women and Child Development Srimati Savitri Thakur na launch tauki. Campaign se India ki mafam khuting da 100 days jathakadapani. October tang mari fawba jathakadapa Sangkap Hill Mission asi India ki maru oiba Women Empowerment Mission ama oi. Campaign asita nupi sing yaipanaba scheme kaya paikhatrisi sensitize tauba khak natana scheme sing si shichin laga karam haina nupi sing bu empower tauba yakani haibasi ningthina sensitize tauki. Ukhruta paikhatriba Sangkap Hill Women Empowerment Campaign sida government officials, lawyers amasung social activists punchilaga pangthoktunale. Lawyers sing na Indian law na nupi sing bu karam haina protection piliki haibagi matangda ningthina sensitize tautunale. Gender sensitization amasung women empowerment ki matangda ukruta challenges kaya thengnarisi maru oina family status ngaknapa fear of stigmatization customary law amasung economic dependence to the mere sisu maru oiba factor kum uyi seki matangda ukru ki Sakhi One Stop Center ki Center Administrator Srimati Chonchui Rinmayo Luithuina asum hai.
They did not want to go to the police, or they chose not to file complaints, even in extreme cases, because they have this fear of stigmatization and the pressure from the family. It's not about giving security to the women, but it's more about maintaining the family prestige. That kind of thing is there. And the other challenges that I observe is our customary law. I am not saying that customary law as such it's bad in law, because there are a lot of things that can, judicial system, it can solve the problem through customary laws in a lot of cases. But when it comes to crime against women, we have to look from the women's perspective, whether it's beneficial for the women or not. And when it comes to these things, I feel that it will be much more beneficial for the women to go to the court or to the police, that is the state-sponsored judicial justice administration. And the other thing is many of the women, especially in domestic violence cases, I realize that they don't want to go to the court or police because they are economically dependent on their abuser. So when they leave, even if they want to leave the house with their children, by themselves also, they think that, oh, what am I going to do once I leave this matrimonial home? What will I feed to my children? It's better to stay with my husband. So they have this, it's partly because of their commitment, their love for their children, that they chose to stay home. And I believe that many of these domestic abuses could have been solved if the women, they just, like, they are economically independent.
Ukhrul ki Deputy Commissioner Sishu Nupi Ama Oibagi Nationwide 100 Days Special Campaign on Women Empowerment si mahak yaw tuna ningthina chathatuna le. Atukak natana Ukhrul ki Deputy Commissioner Srimati Kenku Zuringna Ukhrul ta lakpaga loinana Ukhrul Mini Secretary Ukhrul Town ki yamna facha khrapa mafam amashu oiri. Facha hannaba kaya shamchilaka lay kaya tharaga nanna thambagi Ukhrul Mini Secretary changrakpa mayambu wakhan nungahanki. Loinana Ukhrul Mini Secretary ki facha basi Talk of the Town amashu oi. Sina role mote ama oina Ukhrul da leiba Head of Department mayam isha ki office complex ashum haina thamrati Ukhrul Town si shoidana yamna fachapa amasung environmental friendly oiba town ama oigani. Ukhrul Town fachahanba amasung environmental friendly oihangataba si government officials singi khutachu yam lei. Public pu tainaraga leigataba ki mahuta makhoina thapak oina isha ki office ta pangthokpana henna maru oi. Meeting the workshop amasung seminar the lecture tauba khak nadana Ukhrul ki Deputy Commissioner Srimati Kenku Zuringlana thapak oina pangthokliba kum government officer mayam pangthokrati definitely public will follow loinana Bharat Sarkar ki Swachh Bharat Abhiyan ningthina achieve taukani. Anishubada Hantaki Tang Kunda Ukhrul Bakery Farmers Producers Company Limited Lunch Tobacco Incorporation Certificate Unveil Taubiba ki program Ukhrul Town Hall Paikhatpada Veterinary and Animal Husbandry Amasung Transport Minister Kashim Shumna Chief Case Ama Oina Mahaki speech da Sustainable Livestock Railing Oinaba Livestock Mayam Fajana Life Insurance Taunapa Public bu appeal tauki.